how to see all of your activity history on Facebook. So in this video, I'll show you how to find your full activity history within the Facebook application or the website. For that, you need to go to facebook.com, log into your account, or launch your Facebook application on your device and log into your account. Now, tap on your profile picture icon in the top right corner of your screen, then go to Settings and Privacy. After that, tap on Settings. Once you're in the settings page, you need to scroll down and go to the section of your activity. Here you can review your activity and content that you're tagged in. Then tap on Activity Log. Here in this page, you'll be able to view all of your live videos, videos you have searched for, videos you have watched, your search history, groups you have searched for, your comments, post and your group post and comments, stories activity, page likes and interest, your friends where you're logged in, and relationships as well. If you want to access all of your activity history of your Facebook, go ahead, tap on Activity History over here. It will take you to a new page where you'll be able to see all the activity that you have ever done on your Facebook. You can also go through your personal information, connection, security, and login information, apps and websites of Facebook, your preferences, and logged information as well. And if you want to delete any activity from your Facebook, you can go ahead, tap on the three dots beside it, then tap on Unlike or delete if the option is available. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.